Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link money.com with Xero. So there isn't any direct automation available within money.com to link to Xero, so you would have to use a third-party tool called Zapier. Go to Zapier and press this create button on the top left, then press Zaps button and it will open up a new page. Here on this page you get two options, so you get a trigger and an action. In trigger you have to select the app from which you want to send data to another app. So let's say I want to send data from Xero to money.com. So I will select Xero as trigger and then I will select Monday as action. I'm going to show you what I mean. Simply click on trigger and here search for the app, which in this case is Xero. I search for it, it's on the top, select it, and in the event you have to select the event that should trigger or initiate this automation. So I'm gonna select new contact. So whenever there is a new contact in Xero, it will trigger this automation. I'm gonna press continue. It will ask me to sign into my Xero account or connect it with Zapier. Simply click sign in. It will ask you to enter your email password. Do that, press sign in. Once your account is connected, all you have to do is to click on action. Once you click on action, search for the other app, which in this case is going to be Monday, since we want to send data to Monday from Xero. In the event, select what should happen in the result of this automation. I'm going to say create new item. So what is going to happen is whenever there is a new contact in Xero, a new item will be created in Monday. I'm going to press continue. Again, it will ask me to sign into my monday.com account this time. Click sign in, and on the sign up page it asks for API v2 token that you can acquire from your money.com. Add the token here, press continue. Once you do that, the automation is pretty much all set up. All you have to do then is to press this publish button on the top right corner and you're done. So this is how you connect monday.com with Xero. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.